AI, artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that deals with the development of algorithms and computational systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, perception, problem solving, and natural language processing. AI is being used in a wide range of industries and applications, including healthcare. AI is being used to diagnose diseases, assist with medical procedures, and provide personalized treatment recommendations. Finance. AI is being used to detect fraud, predict market trends, and provide financial advice. Retail. AI is being used to personalize customer experiences, predict consumer behavior, and improve supply chain management. Transportation. AI is being used to improve traffic flow, optimize delivery routes, and assist in the development of autonomous vehicles. Manufacturing. AI is being used to improve production processes, reduce waste, and optimize quality control. Security. AI is being used to monitor and detect security threats, such as cyber attacks and physical intrusions. Education. AI is being used to personalize learning experiences, analyze student performance, and provide educational resources. Customer service. AI is being used to provide instant customer support, automate chatbots, and improve call center operations.